You ever look at your truck and think, why does the front look like it's on the brakes, diving forward all the time? That was me. So today, we're fixing that. The Ranger Raptor just got a 2-inch front leveling kit. And I'm gonna show you the before, the after, and whether this is actually worth your money.
Tactical drive, it's a lifestyle, yeah. Get back around with Bill for this. From the garage to the wilderness, if you live that life, you know the vibe. Tactical drive, yeah, we outside.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Tactical Drive, where we mix trucks, gear, and a little bit of financial irresponsibility disguised as upgrades. If you're into real-world mods and honest feedback, you're in the right place. So this is the truck, completely stock up front. And look, it's still a Raptor. It looks good, but it's got that factory stink bug rake, that face down, ass up look that's great for towing. But let's be honest, this truck wasn't bought for towing. This truck was bought for looking aggressive in parking lots and the desert. So I went with a 2-inch rough country front strut spacer leveling kit. Simple, affordable, not a crazy suspension overhaul, just fixing the stance. I had the install done over at Offroad Warehouse. You guys may know it as ORW. They handled everything, install and alignment. For the price, it was honestly worth it. Could I have done it myself? Maybe. Did I want to fight suspension components in my garage? Absolutely not. And this is the difference. Before, we were sitting at about 37 3/4 inches up front. Now, we're right at 39 3/4 inches. That's a legit 2-inch change in stance. And honestly, it completely transforms the truck. The nose isn't diving anymore. It's finally sitting how a Raptor should. That's how it should have come from factory. The truck just looks more planted, more aggressive, like it's ready to do something, even if it's just sitting in the driveway. Pros: the stance is fixed. This is the biggest win. The truck instantly looks more level, more balanced, and way more aggressive. Future-proofing for tires. Now, I'm not running bigger tires yet, but if I decide to go 35s later in the build, this sets me up perfectly. No regrets there. Cost versus impact. For $640 total, including install and alignment, this is one of the best bang for your buck mods you can do. Cons: slight ride change. You might feel a small difference in ride quality. Nothing crazy, but you are changing the geometry a bit. It opens the door. Here's where things get dangerous, because now that it's leveled, 35s start looking real tempting. The build and upgrades never end. Not necessary. Let's be real. This isn't something you need. This is 100% I want my truck to look better mod, and I'm okay with that. So, was it worth it? Yes, 100%. This is one of those mods where every time you walk up to the truck, you notice it. And that alone makes it worth it. But now, here's a catch. Since the front end is sitting higher, the truck's system and sensors doesn't exactly know what's going on. So in the next video, I'm gonna recalibrate the ride height using 4Scan Lite and this thing, so that everything is reading correctly again. That's gonna be a must watch if you're doing this mod. If you're building out your Ranger Raptor, or any other truck for that matter, you're in the right place. Got a lot more coming with this truck. And if for some reason you keep finding yourself back here, you already know what to do. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.